Yeah, here we are, all packed up, ready to go. Looking forward to this trip. And once a year, to Crown Point, Indiana for my rib competition. Got here a little later than normal every year. I was a little bit hurried, but I got everything kind of laid out here. I got my little flat top for cooking breakfast and lunch here while we sit around all day and drink. A little tabletop for prep work. Got my chair here, some other chairs down here for people coming by later. Of course, I got the cooker using the Broil King Keg with the CyberQ Cloud temperature controller, right? It's heating up right now. It's not quite up to where I need it to be, but that's all right. I'm timing this just right to get them on. And what I'm putting on are spare ribs this year, not baby backs like we've done in years past. The butcher screwed up our order, sold all 60 of our racks to someone else, and so we had a bitch and moan and got these for a slightly better price. They're actually spare ribs, not baby backs, so required a little bit more trimming to get them ready, which I think is an advantage for me because I love doing spare ribs, honestly. So that's all I ever cook at home normally is spare ribs. So prep table, fixtures. I got a full Cambro for storing the meat later, warm for the turn in. I got a cooler full of drinks and cold stuff for the turn-in box later, and I'm all set. This is gonna be awesome. Hey, let's go, Brandon.
You're gonna be done. That's it.
Okay, got the ribs on. It's about 11:15, more like 10:50. So got them on. Hopefully about 6 hours from now, it'll be closer to 4:30ish. It's by the time I want them ready to be pulled off, so I can then start prepping them, cutting them, and boxing them for a 5 o'clock turn-in.
What? They're making fun of me for having cameras and stuff. See, this is the trouble I go through as a YouTuber.
That's the era we live in now.
Yeah. Let's make fun of the YouTuber guys. I see. Just about 3 hours in. Just about 10 minutes left in the 3 hours. I should be getting ready to wrap soon. Let's take a look at some of this color. That's got pretty good color on it.
Yeah.
It's got pretty good color.
There's stuff sticking down in there.
Oh, that's all scrap meat. So I got scrap meat that I trimmed off the ribs that were just going to be thrown away. So I'm going to pull those off soon too and try my hand on some of these.
Hey.
How's it going, Spoopy? Doing well. That's my wife, Rachel. My brother-in-law, Jeff. Hey. Every butt loves a rub. That is a great shirt, sir. That is excellent. Look at these guys living in comfort. The lap of luxury. I love this. The winning orange bag?
Yep.
Because I won with oranges one year, or so the legend goes. There's my trophy. That's her. Oh well. I got a plaque just like that, man. But mine says second annual. Yours says third. Of course. You won it already twice now. So
Two-time winner.
Two-time winner. I'm just a one-time winner here. Hey, there's Chad. How's it going, Chad?
Good.
He's made it. look who I found, my brother Chad. Welcome, Chad.
I made it.
So here we are, man. The Chad's here just in time for the rib wrap.
Yeah.
You know, so just got here. We got a couple more hours before we unwrap them, and about almost an hour before, while we sauce them and all that. So we're just here to hang out on a nice day. It's a little breezy, but you know, it's in the mid to low 70s. It's gorgeous weather out here.
Nice. It's real nice.
Yeah. All right. So hey, well, see you later.
Go back to drinking my beer.
Yep, that's right. That's it. That's pretty good, huh, Dale? Looking pretty tasty.
It is.
Oh man.
The question is,
Yeah.
how are you going to save them until turning?
Oh, I'm not done.
Oh, okay.
I'm not done. So,
You got a nice bend on them.
yeah, I think so. Yeah,
Very nice.
yeah.
Did you stick them
No, that's a good
with the thermo?
I got some toothpaste laying here.
Oh, okay. I was going to go technical.
Oh no.
Nah, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Those are sweet.
Yeah,
But it's like you said,
think butter.
a little more than a little less on these.
Yeah. Perfect. Going on.
Settle down a little.
All right, ribs are on for their final glaze coming up. All right. One of the secrets that people are starting to figure out around here, because I've been showing them, is you put the meat drippings right up in there. And that's not just fat, that's the melted collagen and everything that makes the ribs so delicious. Why let that go to waste, right? Oh yeah. My neighbor stir it in and even reduce it a bit. It's a little thin right now, but I'm hoping to get it reduced. Look at that. It's time to glaze them, yeah. This. You look glove. Let's do this. Come on. Put another layer on. Ooh, man. You know what? Let's move the wreck out of the way like we have before.
Look at the moisture running off the top of the lid.
Yeah, kamados are good for that shit, man. Oh, I gotta keep this foil out of the way. All right, there we go. So it's looking pretty good. That sauce is killer. With the secret ingredient. It's not secret, right, everybody? It's people coming by earlier looking at what I was doing so they can get some tips. And I've already showed this in my other videos I did on this topic already, so this is really no secret. If they just would watch my videos, please watch my videos, guys. Come on, man. I put a lot of effort into it. I want you to watch my videos. Around again. All right, let's go ahead and sauce these bad boys up. Oh yeah, just give me some more sauce.
Yeah, just pile it on there.
Might as well.
You got plenty of it.
This is like the last, maybe the last dosing before we got to turn in. Honestly,
Yeah, by the time you
I mean,
It
by the
thickens
time
up.
It sticks, yeah. By the time it thickens up and sticks on there. There you go. All right. All right, half hour till turn-in, and here is my pre-made my turn-in box with my greens. Trying to take them off for about 15 minutes left here. So let's do that. Get careful, yeah? Those look really good, man.
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do. Oh, man. Real careful. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. All right, this guy. There. Away.
That one looks like it's going to come apart.
This is going to come apart.
Better do something. There you go.
Now I know why.
Yeah, okay, it's one.
Right there. Oh yeah. Look at that thing.
That thing is, oh, this is it. See, that was too tender. See how that, oh dude, this fell apart real quick. Oh, these three right here are like the most tenderest. There you go, right there's one, right there. That's a keeper. So, okay, Chad, help me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That one, you think? That one?
They look fat. They look juicy.
These are a little lean, aren't they?
These look skinny.
But these might be what people want, though. I don't know. I mean, those look like really tender meats.
Yeah.
See?
Mix and match.
And
They all look good.
yeah, they all look good, don't they? Probably something.
Yeah, I like those 3.
These 3 and maybe this one here.
Yeah.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. And what I also do is hit it with a little sauce. Rub it on the inside there. How's that look?
It's good.
Make sure the ribs are separated so it doesn't look like they're one continuous slab. Like that. Oh shit. That. You think that looks good?
Yeah, I'd like to eat it.
Oh yeah. That's some award-winning ribs right there. All right. Wish me luck. Time to turn it. I got 2 minutes left. I gotta go.
What number we got, Larry?
Number 5.
Oh,
Let's see how it goes. All right.
5.
Excited. Entry was number 10. Step up if you were number 10. All right, second place was entry number 6. Please step up. Who's 6? Number 6. And number 1. Entry number 2. So apparently I didn't win. I didn't even place. I came in 4th place, which is actually really good considering there was 11 contestants here this year. And it's okay. We had a good time all around. A bunch of good guys all hanging around, sharing common interests together. I had my wife with me this year, which was her first time here. Chad was there. My sister and brother-in-law and aunt and uncle even showed up, and we had a blast all day. So it doesn't matter. Fun times all around, and ultimately that's why we do this, right? Because we enjoy the hobby and we enjoy the experience and sharing our interests with others. Right? Cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.